Alright, got another video in the metas for you. So this is a 2012 Explorer 2-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder, and we have a broken harmonic balancer. So this is the new guy. Our rubber dampening material kind of just shears off. Supposedly this is a pretty common thing with these 2-liter EcoBoosts in these Ford cars, as well as the Land Rover, Range Rover cars, the Evokes. So I just verified top dead center. Got our little dimple right here, right on this crank position sensor. Also verified it with our long screwdriver. Cylinder 1 piston is at its topmost point. It's at top dead center. Took out the spark plug and the coil for cylinder 1, so that's verified. Now all I have to do is just get this crank bolt out. Nice big guy, 21 mil. And then supposedly, boom. That was easy. No puller tool necessary, thank God. So I'll go in next. Man, look at that. That's cool. So, got a hair in my mouth. I want to make sure our little timing mark dimple. Where'd it go? It's down here. Looks about right. Stupid hair. Boom. Love that. Sort of TDC. Grab our bolt. Just thread her in there. Go. Looking beautiful. Got this double-sided belt too. This is interesting. So that's cool. A little cracked up, but this lady is on a road trip. She's from South Carolina. She's just stopping through Philly and this happened, so I'm not too worried about the belt. I think she'll be fine. Just trying to get her back on the road. Still good on our screwdriver. Top dead center indicator. So let's snug this bolt back up. Make sure the crank itself doesn't move. Click. Torque looks good to me.